Okay, so welcome to this week's market review and expectation. So we are done with the trading week, which is from 16th to 20th of December. Okay, so as I do every week, I take a look at what I was expecting in the market for the previous week or for this particular week, and then against what I'll be expecting in the coming week. I also take a look at what the market delivered and compare it to what I was expecting. All right, so let's take a look at what I was expecting the previous week. In the previous week, this particular candle had not formed. This candle here, okay, it had not formed. That is Sunday's candle. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday, which is today, 20th of December, 2024. Okay, so in the previous week, I was expecting price to actually continue its bullish stance, as I said in the previous video, okay, because we had already filled in fair value gap, which is a correction on the weekly time frame, right here. Okay, this particular week, it's filled in this fair value gap, this high, sorry, this low right here, then this high right here. Okay, we filled it, and then we began to pursue higher prices, which is this high. Okay, so I was expecting price to take out this particular high, then this, and then we finally reach into this weekly mean threshold for this particular fair value gap, this the high end of the fair value gap, this particular line right here, and then this particular line right here. If you take a look at the weekly time frame, we can appreciate it well. So on the weekly, we have this low right here, and then this high. Okay, so if you take your fib and then you hook it up there, drag it down to the side, okay, you can get the midpoint on that particular line. Okay, so that's 108.82 level. Okay, so that's where I said I'll be expecting price to reach in. Unfortunately, Monday's trading to Tuesday's trading was just some kind of consolidation, and on Wednesday during the FOMC minutes, we actually went much higher. And then Thursday we went a little bit higher, and Friday we had a retracement into this particular range from this low to the high. Okay, we retraced to I think this particular fair value gap, which is actually not up to half of it. So that's what's happened in the previous this week. So what am I looking at? I'm still looking at price reaching into this particular high, sorry, this level. Okay, the level I indicated. I'm still looking for price reaching in. I'm seeing this as a retracement. So in the coming week, I'll be looking for higher prices in the dollar index. But next week it's a festive season. Okay, it's Christmas, so we have to be very much careful when we are trading. Okay, there might not be so much movement in the market, and a lot of holidays, so we have to trade with much caution. Okay, so I'm looking for price to reach into that particular level right there, and you'll see what happens after that. Yeah, so next week from 23rd to 27th, we have the Christmas in between those trading days. Okay, so we have to be very much cautious. All right, so let's take a look at what news releases to be aware of, or what news we have to take into consideration when we are trading. I personally might not be trading. I'll just be watching what price has to deliver. Okay, so let's see. So on Monday we have the mid impacts affecting the USD at 3 p.m. That's the CB, consumer confidence. Then all the German bank holiday on Tuesday 24th. Okay, and then at 1:30 p.m. we have the core durable goods orders, and then the durable goods orders are made impacts affecting the USD. Okay, and then at 3 p.m. we have the new home sales and also the Richmond manufacturing index, all affecting the USD. And then on Wednesday we have the Japanese yen, high impacts all the we have the UDA speaks, that's the Bank of Japan governor, and then that same day is a holiday. Okay, it's a holiday, and no high impact news until Thursday. Okay, until Thursday 26th. Thursday 26th at 1:30 we have the unemployment claims. Okay, at that's 1:30 affecting the dollar, and then the 4 p.m. we have the crude oil inventories also affecting the dollar. That's the mid impact news. And then at 11:30 p.m. we have the Tokyo core CPI, okay, also affecting the Japanese yen. Yeah, so those are the news you really to be aware of. As I said, the 25th is festive, and then you have to be very much aware. There might not be much volatility in the markets. Price might actually consolidate, and that's what I'm actually looking out for. And when the dollar is consolidating, okay, we can look at our pound yen and then euro yen. They will be having significant moves, so we can shift our focus there if you want to trade. Okay, if you want to trade, you can shift your focus to that direction, and then you can catch some pips. All right, so let's trade and then take care of ourselves. I wish you all Merry Christmas and then a prosperous New Year. Thank you for watching.